Hi everyone! Welcome again to our vlog. So today we're going to show you the things that we got on Christmas, and all of these gifts are from our family. So we thank you all, our family, for giving us these generous gifts that we have right now. This is more than from what we expected actually, you guys. And we are so blessed and thankful for our family giving all of these gifts to us. Christmas, we're very spoiled, and we got everything that we wish for, so that's really amazing, and we are so excited to share this with you guys. So without any further ado, let's start our haul. Gifts namin, hindi na namin pagkasunod-sunod kung kanina siya galing, but in general, these are the gifts that we got. So I'll start first. So this is the gifts that we got from one of our friends, Ate Vicky and Kuya Ray. We got some chocolates and a letter. Ayan, this is how it looks like, you guys. It has chocolate caramel squares and hot chocolate and cups. So this is so nice. Thank you so much, Ate Vicky and Kuya Ray, for our Christmas present. And then,
And this is what I got from my wife, guys. It's a DeWalt bandsaw. Like that.
so tanggalin mo siya, love.
And it looks like this. And it's a power tool.
Yan.
And it's used for cutting stuff.
Yan.
I like it so much. It's one of my wish lists.
So, complete yung wishlist niya daw with this one. So, ayan siya, guys. Tool. It comes with a blade as well, so it's ready to go. But he has a lot of, like, backup battery. So, he just have to put, like, spare battery, and it should be good to go.
Thank you, B.
You're welcome, baby. So, since we're talking about our present to each other, this is his gift for me, you guys. This is a watch from Swatch. This is also my wish list, so that's really nice. So this is very cutesy. This is actually a 2024 model from Swatch, and there's a funny story actually on this watch, you guys. That's how it looks like, you guys. It's pink watch, and it's like a steel. Super nice, super luxury niya, guys. Tignan, ayan.
Yeah,
It has
very
like
simple.
very simple, my love. Thank you so much.
The next one is also from my wife. And she gave me a gift from Polo. It's a Polo long sleeve.
Ayan.
And it's like a
Turtleneck.
turtleneck.
Something like a turtleneck, like you can like tawag dito. You can fold something, the collar,
Yeah, and it's
Ayan.
like a half zip.
half zip.
It's
It's
really
really
nice.
nice.
I like
Yeah,
it so
I
much.
like it.
Thank you, B.
You're welcome, babe. Yan. So next one, guys. This is from, I think this is from my brother. This is a half zip jacket from, I think, Aritzia. Yeah. So actually, guys, fun fact. This is actually my first ever Aritzia clothes. I don't own anything from Aritzia, so this is very special because they actually grab it for me, because I'm not gonna buy this using my money, because it's actually like pricey for their clothing. So this is what I got. This is pretty nice. Ayan, that's how it looks like. It's a half zip here, so it's perfect for winter or fall. Like, I feel like you can wear it if you want to feel like cozy. This is so nice. Ayan, this is from my brother. Thank you so much, bro, for this. It's pretty.
Next one that I got from Christmas is a shoes, guys. It's a Bloodstone, and it's from my sister-in-law, Ate Camille. Thank you very much, Ate.
Yeah.
And it's actually, I opened it already. It looks like this, guys.
Ayan.
And
He
it's
has
very
like a
nice.
huge feet, you guys. I think he's size
11.5.
11.5. So this is like gigantic boots, but
And it's
See,
waterproof.
it is waterproof, you guys, and it's so nice. Looks good. I love it for him. Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. Boots.
That's really nice. So he actually wear it already on the Christmas day, because we went to church, so he wore it already.
Yeah, that's my first boots too, guys.
Next thing, and also this is an extra stuff from my brother. This is actually my casing for my MacBook Pro. No, MacBook Air. So my husband gifted me on our wedding day a MacBook. Since then, I don't have any protection or any casing for it. So I put a wish list, a MacBook casing, and so happy because it has everything. I have the casing, I have the screen protector. I also have this cute little pouch that you can travel with. And then it comes with
Keyboard.
a keyboard cover, which is pink as well. And I'm just not sure what's the use of this little pouch, but it looks good. I think you can put your charging cables and stuff. But yeah, I really love this one. Thank you so much, my bro. Now I can actually put this stuff in on my MacBook because I cannot wait to give her like protection so I can bring her anywhere. Hey, so much fun.
Next stuff I got is a DeWalt vacuum, guys.
Yeah.
It's from Kuya Christian,
Yeah, it is.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, this is one of my wish list, guys, and I didn't expect that I'll receive like all of them this Christmas, and I'm so overwhelmed, and I was so shocked. Yeah. And it's really nice, guys, because we can use this to clean our cars at work too,
yeah.
and stuff.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
It's
It's
really
it's
useful.
like a wireless vacuum, but it's like industrial type of vacuum because as you can see, it's like DeWalt brand. As you know, DeWalt
It's
is
good
more
for
on like
wet and dry too.
yeah. Yeah, it's actually wet and dry vacuum. So that's his. Another one I got. This is from my brother as well. My brother spoiled me so much, and my sister. Actually, all of them. My goodness. So first, I got a monetary cash. I got a cash $200. Ayan. And then a cute little gloves from Aritzia. So imagine, guys, this is my second item from Aritzia. This is from my brother. Ayan. Ang cute niya, guys. It's so perfect for like winter, and it matches and sits on my cute little hands. Ayan. And then this is actually a New Balance shoes that's also on my wish list. And guys, seeing this in person is just extra. Like, look how nice is this. This is actually a New Balance 9060. Yes. So this is a New Balance 9060, guys. Ganyan siya. So wala pa akong mga ganitong type of shoes na something like daddy type of shoes, like big and wide. So ayan, I can't wait to wear it. This is so
really
pretty.
nice.
Right? So yan, I never wore it kasi it's so winter pa here sa Alberta, and it's actually slushy. So I don't want to get it really like dirty. So that's another one of my wish lists.
And my turn.
Your turn, babe.
Next thing I got, guys, is an ROG Ally X from Kuya Christian. I didn't expect this. It's like totally surprise gift, and I like it so much. Thank you very much, Kuya Christian, for all the gifts. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much.
Yeah, very spoiled brother this Christmas. Next thing I got, guys, this is from my sister. This is my third item from Aritzia. Super cute. This is just their classic sweater, like braided type of sweater. So this is how it looks like. It's a bit oversized, which the way I like it. And yeah, it's just very soft material and super cozy. So definitely will wear this one a lot. And it's a white and a cream color, so it's perfect for any outfit that
Easy to
you
dress with.
yeah, it's really easy to dress. So this is my gift from my sister. Thank you so much, sister.
What I got, guys, is another tool, and it's a Klein Circuit Breaker Finder, and it's from Ate Camille. It's really nice, guys, because I can use this a lot at work. And thank you very much, Ate, for spoiling me this Christmas. Appreciate it, Te. Thank you, Te.
Pag sa
And the other part of it is it's cord, and it's like a part of this circuit breaker finder, guys. So basically, that lets me use this on other stuff like light bulbs or the actual wiring. So with this together, it's like a combo set. Yeah.
what else?
And I also got this. It's another tool. It's from Klein's as well, and it's like a ratcheting tool. But what's best about it is because it's hollow, so I can use it with most stuff like rods and etc.
That's
And it's
really
from
nice.
Ate Camila as well, guys.
That's really
Thank you
nice.
very
I
much,
think it's
Te.
heavy. Yeah, it's heavy for a small one, you guys. Yeah.
I also got like socks from Papa and Mama.
Yeah.
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 Thank you very much, Ma and Pa.
Yeah. And then this is my gift as well from my sister. This, you guys, I didn't expect this at all because this is way too much. Too much for the budget. And I don't think I kind of like this service, you guys. But this is what my sister got me. So this is from Coach. This is a bag.
Mhm.
I actually didn't expect that this is gonna be my wish list because this is expensive, you guys. My sister spoiled me so much. This is how it looks like, you guys. So I already put the strap on. Nice. I forgot what's the name of this bag, but it comes with like all leather strap and all leather for the exterior strap of it, and then it's just what do you call this, like snap on bag, but it's crossbody, and then there's like really spacious space inside here. But this is like the most like beautiful bag I ever seen. So cute.
It comes with a keychain too.
Like, look at this keychain. And then my sister told me that you can actually put something or stamp something in here, so we will do that for sure. But you guys, this is how it looks like. Ayan. This can be for a formal event, or it can be like for casual wear, because you can wear it like a shoulder bag, and at the same time you can wear it as a crossbody bag.
The next one that I got, guys, for Christmas is
A jacket.
jacket.
That's
and
I
it's a
think
thin one. It's good for like daily use.
daily use.
Yeah.
Like -5 temperature. I think this is like perfect, and
Yeah, I
that's
like
so pretty.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's so
It's
nice.
from Papa and Mama as well. Thank you, Ma, Pa.
So nice, so nice. Speaking of gift from mom and daddy, so this is a gift from mom and daddy as well. This is just House of Harlow's jewelry that I got from Marshall, and I just find it so cute for like what do you call this, like for aesthetic outfit. You can just add this chain. I feel like it's so like Tiffany chain dupe necklace. It's just so cute, you guys. So I don't know if it's gonna change the color, but it's so pretty, so I have to buy it, and it's gonna be part of their gifts as well. And the next one I have here is actually from mommy and daddy as well. This is from College Spring. This
Wow.
is, yeah, I know. This is doll shoes. Mary Jane to be exact, but this one it's out of my comfort zone because it has a studs and it's white, and I can't wait to wear this one on summer, you guys. This is so nice.
Yeah.
The last thing that I got from mom and daddy is this one. This is a Gap sweater, and it's just color red. I don't own any sweater or shirt in red. Actually, this is like maroon, darkish red, and it's just so nice. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a bit oversized, which the way I like it. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Mom and Daddy. Also, the last gift that we received from
Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad is this one, another cooking ware. So I'll be cooking a lot na again here, my love. So this is a Tefal
Marami kang malalagay
jumbo cooker. Yeah, we can cook noodles here,
Yeah.
like pretty much anything. And so it looks like this
That's
is
pretty
from
good.
Mom and Dad.
Lastly, we received this sweater, guys, and it's very comfy.
That's
And
from.
it's
This is
from-
actually from Kuya.
Yeah, from Kuya.
Yeah.
I got this from Kuya, and it's really nice. Thank you, Kuya Christian, for spoiling us this Christmas.
Yeah. And then the last one as well, this is actually from Mom and Daddy as well. So we worn this one already because it's just so cozy. So hi guys, this is the continuation of the things that we got from Christmas. So when we back from New Year, from my in-laws, they give us more gifts from my from Fanny, Jolo, Mom, and Chris. So eto, pakita ko sa inyo real quick what we got. So the first one I got here, this is from Fan. She gave me a jogger pants, a gray color. This is really good because I'm actually looking for a jogger pants. Another thing that I got is the Airbrush Flawless Mini Setting Spray Kit. This is from Jolo, and this is just the makeup mist. So the finishing mist from Charlotte Tilbury. There. Thank you so much, Joel and Fanny, for this gifts. And the next we got Chris, my husband, got this Adidas Active Micro Flex. Ayan. This is just the underwear or a boxer. Perfect because he's kind of like sometimes running out. So we have a backup. And the next thing I got, this is from Mama and Chris. This is a bag, really nice, very minimalist bag, and she told me that this is a UK brand, so which is nice, so you don't have someone similar, so that's really nice. All leather siya, guys, and ito yung brand niya, so I don't know what's the brand, but for me, it's very nice, very simple. It's definitely perfect for like everyday bag, and it looks very spacious. And then, so that's that one. Thank you so much, Mama and Chris. And then, I think this is for CJ or my hubby. A card with a Cineplex. With a Cineplex ticket. Ayan, so we can go for a movie night. We also got this Halo Pure Zone Purifier. This is from Jolo. So Jolo bought this one for us. Super generous, you guys. Thank you so much. This is how it looks like, you guys. Ayan. So it's actually a air purifier. I haven't really opened this one yet, but that's the features of it. So I think I'll be putting this one in the living room, so whenever we're cooking some food, it's not really smelly. And then you just have to put some essential oil or something. I'm not 100% sure, but this is how it looks like. And last but not least, Mama and Chris give us a new appliance. So this is how it looks like, you guys. It's the Ninja Fryer Max XL, and that's how it looks like. So perfect. So yeah, so this is the additional that we got for Christmas from our family. So really nice. There you go. That's everything, guys. The things that we grabbed, or the things that we got during Christmas. So
Yes, guys.
ayun lang, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel for more videos, especially our live vlogs. So hopefully to see you guys soon again, and I'll
Wish
see
you
you.
all Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.